Hi, I'm Brian Gunn. Today in this video, I'll teach you how you can use the product and inventory control features inside Niagara One so that later you can create your sales invoice. As you can see here, we have many more functions. At the left menu here, all the functions for sales and also for purchase. So to create a sales invoice, you can click here and then new invoice and add a list of items that your customer has purchased. You can search for the products. But before that, you need to key in the product inside Niagara One. So go to the product category menu here, and there's a new product functions, category and package. For example, if you are in the trading business selling women's product, fashions, handbag, and so on. So let's make some example for this. So category, click here. You sell dress, tops, all right, and maybe handbag. Okay, and as you can see here, there's a prefix code. Prefix code is where you can have the system to generate the product code for you automatically. So for dress, let's put D, and the system will then generate the code as D001, D002. For handbag, we can put H. Tops, we can put T. This is optional, yeah? Okay, so after you have entered your product category, let's add some product here. Click at new product. Okay, let's browse for a photo first. Okay, and this is let's have a look here. This is a top. Okay, so a top. So this is a summer top, new Korean collection. All right, put in the selling price, for example 39 ringgit. Click save. So let's enter another one. This is also a top, European summer tops. Okay, 79. Okay, the code, if you select top, it will then generate the code automatically, right? If you would like to enter the product quickly without repeating the same product description all the time, you can click at the existing record, for example this one, the European summer tops, and then click at the duplicate button here. As you can see, the code has been generated automatically to 2003, and you can browse the photos. Price remain the same, and you can just put additional description here, stripes. All right, and you can use the duplicate function to add another record again. Okay, we can just click here. Let's just add for handbags. Okay, for handbag, we'll select a different category, and this is a H001. Okay, this is genuine leather women handbag. All right, 119. Okay, so you can see here there's a list of product that you have entered here, and it's very simple, very quick for you to enter new product. Let's have another product here. Okay, so this is red color Korean and style handbag. Okay, 118. All right, after you have entered all the products that you have in your business or you are selling, you can then click at the price list, and you can go through all the lists that you have here and update the discount price or the latest selling price, and also the cost, the COGS, cost of goods sold. Okay, let's enter some of the product costs here. For example, this one is 49, you're buying 49. This one is 35. Okay, this one is 15. This one is 25. This one is 25. So these are the cost of goods sold, the cost that the system will use when it generates the sales invoice. When you create sales invoice, the system will use the cost of goods sold and calculate as a cost that has been incurred for this product, and it would then appear inside the profit and loss statement. And if you have discount, you can just put in some discounted price here. For example, it's 119 and you want to offer it as 99, you can just put it here. So after you refresh, it will be automatically updated. Alright, next you can key in some inventory. Here, let's take a look. The total in, total sold, out, damage, loss, and balance. And now we enter some stock here. This one you have 3 pieces. Okay. For this one you have 2 pieces. Okay, so you can see the balance here. If you have a purchase invoice from your supplier, you can issue purchase invoice here. You can create your purchase invoice and the system will automatically update the latest cost and also to update the inventory. Let's make some example here. So now you have this new purchase invoice from supplier. Click at this button, new purchase invoice, search for the product. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, you have these 5 items. All right, and search. This one you have 10, and this one you have also 10. And let's have a look here. Let's try to put in the cost, 23 ringgit for this one. All right, so 23 ringgit for this one, and this is the total amount of your purchase invoice, and enter your supplier info. So you can put it like ABC Trading. Okay, this is maybe Alan Lim. Enter the phone, the address, and so on. All right, so you click save. And when is this purchase invoice due? Okay, maybe your supplier has given you some terms, 30 days terms, so you can key it here and you know when to pay this purchase invoice. All right, click save. Okay, so you can see that there's a purchase invoice due here. So there's a balance of 555 ringgit. If you want to make a payment to this supplier, you can click into it and issue a payment voucher. All right, let's just make a payment for this. It's very simple. So 555, maybe you are paying through check. So MBB, put in a check number. Okay, so now the purchase invoice has been paid. And as you can see, the system is automatically update your cash book. So 16th of July, purchase invoice, ABC Trading, 555. It would then automatically deduct from your cash book at the credit side because you have made the payment to your supplier for the purchase invoice. And next, you will see that the inventory, it has been updated automatically. 5, the quantity of 5, 10, 10, and also for the price list, the cost of goods sold has been updated automatically with the latest cost that you enter for the in the purchase invoice here. So I hope that you have learned how to use the purchase invoice and also how to key in the products and category inventory inside Niaga One. Last, I would like to explain to you for Niaga One, you can also use it for the service type of business. For example, if you are in printing business, you can use the product and category, but not necessarily you have to use the inventory control. What do I mean is, okay, you can issue a new product, you can create a new product here, and the description you can just put in as a open item, okay, and the selling price just put 0. Okay, this is for service-based business. Or if you have a photography service, okay, you can just put here, enter something like this, or printing service. Okay, the price just set as 0 and leave the cost as 0 as well because you do not incur cost of goods sold for service based business, right? You only have expenses. So when you key in your sales invoice, when you create a new sales invoice, okay, you can just select the product here and edit the description. So printing service, you can edit the description here. For example, 1,000 pieces of offset printing, full color, matte lamination, and die cut. Okay, this one you can put a price of 500 ringgit, and then you can enter your customer information and all that. Let's just finish off this invoice here. Maybe this is sold to Ali. Okay, and you create this sales invoice, and that will not reflect what you have entered here. The price is still 0, so that you can always reuse this item and enter in your sales invoice. So I hope that you are clear now how to use the product and inventory functions for both trading and also service-based business. And in the next video, I will show you how to create or how to use the sales invoice, issue receipt, DO, delivery order, and also create quotations for your customers. Thank you, and I hope you like this video.